Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to add short video clips to your notes. This adds a whole new dimension to how you can share updates and connect with your followers. So, grab your phone and let's explore how to use this new feature. This feature is currently only available to a limited number of users, but it's expected to roll out more widely soon. Ensure you have the latest version of the Instagram app downloaded and installed on your phone. Open the Instagram app and navigate to your direct messages DM section. At the top of the screen, look for your profile picture. This represents your notes. Tap on your profile picture. This opens the notes creation screen. You see this camera icon? Tap on it. Instead of tapping the photo icon as usual, hold down the record button in the center. This activates the video recording mode. Record your video by holding down the button for up to a couple of seconds. You'll see a visual timer indicating the remaining recording time. Once you're happy with your recording, lift your finger completely from the record button. With this new feature, you can now express yourself more creatively and share quick updates with video clips in your Instagram notes. Experiment, have fun, and connect with your followers in a whole new way.